In this presentation, we're going to make a learning management system. So this will be a workshop, and that means you do what I demonstrate to you. Alright, so I assume your web browser is open. So whatever web browser you are using, you go to this space where you type your web address, and in there type www.moodlecloud.com. Press enter. On the screen that displays, locate this button which has a caption, "Get started for free." Click on it. Next, you will see a display of different plans which are available, and for us and for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use the free version, and but there are these other different plans available for those who may need a bigger number of users. Alright, so for the free option, you have a maximum number of 50 users, and for the same number, but for you to be able to retain your site even when you are not active, you pay 80 Australian dollars, that is per year. In Zambian kwacha, this should be something like 900 kwacha. Well, our currency is quite volatile, but that gives you an idea. Now, let us get started by clicking on this button here, Get Started. So the beauty of Moodle Cloud is they've made tutorial videos available which can guide you through this whole process, which is the thing I'm doing right now. But since I'm doing this for you, just go to Ready to Get Started, click on Create a New Account. So there are terms of service which you need to agree to, and you can go through this. If you are agreeable, you simply check these boxes and click on Next. So you can enter your details in there. So for this one, we are making this learning management system for Mrs. Nora Chola. Okay, the email address is kidscomputerschool2020@gmail.com. You can enter whatever email address you have there, and you repeat the same email address just to ensure that you've typed the correct one. kidscomputerschool2020@gmail.com. In there you enter your phone number. Okay, what is the phone number? 0973126 Okay, my time zone is Cairo. That is fine. You can choose what is appropriate for you. You just click on this this arrow here, and it will display all the different menu options. Organization name. The name of the organization is Kids Computer School. Alright, what type of organization is this? Well, this is more like a community school, just trying to help out kids on how they can learn how to use a computer. So let me see which option is good for me here. Okay, let me choose now let me choose course provider. Okay, street address. Okay, this is Makeni. 50. City is Lusaka. We are right in the capital city of Zambia. Okay, that's our zip code, and the country is Zambia, right at the end, Z. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put the role of administrator here. An administrator is a person who is going to be creating courses, assigning which course to which lecturer, and yeah, basically helping all the other users on how they can go about doing their work. And this is the person who is going to be creating user accounts for all teachers and all the people who will be interacting with this system, including students. So if you wish to receive Moodle Cloud news, tips, and updates, well, you can check this box and click on Next. Okay, set up your Moodle Cloud site. So we are going to give a name to our Moodle Cloud site. This is the name pupils are going to be using, or students are going to be using, to enter into their web browser for them to access their learning materials. So let's see which name is available. Let's call it Kids Computer School. Wow, your site name is available. That means I can go ahead. That means there is no other name they are hosting with this name. Alright, so kidscomputerschool.moodlecloud.com. Then choose where your site will be hosted. We recommend choosing the location closest to you and your students. Alright, let us click this down arrow to see what options are available. Okay, you have these countries here, and I'm going to pick Australia. And then I'm asked what best describes how you intend to use Moodle Cloud. Again, when you click this down arrow, the different options which are listed, and well, you can go through this list, but for me and for this site I am making, the best option is for use in community education. So I'm going to click on that to select the option, and next, click on Next. Okay, so verify your identity. So there will be a code that will be sent to the phone number that you had entered, and so I'm going to pick my phone to check what code has come. Alright, I have received it, and I'm going to enter it in here. This is my code, 474193. So you just have to check your SMS. You have to check in your inbox. If you haven't received anything, you can click on I didn't receive my code, but I trust when you do it once, then the notification will come, and for me that's the number there. And after entering it, you click on Next. So the next screen that displays asks you to choose a password, and it says you will use this password to log into both your Moodle Cloud site and portal. Okay, so I'm going to type a password here. Okay, you're not going to see it because this is my secret. Okay, so you enter the same password just to make sure that it is the same string of characters you are entering. You click next after you do that. Success! Alright, so that means we've managed to create our site. Alright, you can go through all these notifications they've given you here, but at the bottom of it says, thanks, take me to my Moodle site now. I guess that's what we want, so you click on that. Okay, here we are. We now have a learning management system, but it does not yet look like our system, because here it says my new Moodle site. Well, we want to see the name of our college appearing here. We want to see the courses we have available displayed here. So we need to do some editing to what we are seeing here. We need to do some configurations, and that is what I'll be showing you in the next video, how to get started in doing the configuration so that you can start using your learning management system. Alright, see you in the next presentation.